Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope that you all are fine and safe at your home. Dear students, I am your social studies class 3 teacher and today I am going to teach you the chapter work. Dear students, the meaning of work is to do some task. So the meaning of work is to do some task. It means that people have to do work to earn some money. And for the sake of money, everybody has to do a job. And everyone needs to work to earn an income. It means that everybody has to do work कि हर किसी को कोई ना कोई काम करना पड़ता है पैसे कमाने के लिए ताकि वो पैसे कमा सके और अपनी फैमिली को सपोर्ट कर सके. When some children leave school, they go to college to continue to study. Some children in our country don't go to school at all. They help their parents to earn money. कि हमारे मुल्क में कुछ बच्चे जो है वो स्कूल मैट्रिक के बाद कॉलेज जाते हैं और अपनी पढ़ाई को कंटिन्यू रखते हैं. दे कंटिन्यू देयर स्टडीज़ बट सम चिल्ड्रन कांट कंटिन्यू देयर स्टडीज़ बिकॉज दे हैव टू हेल्प देयर पेरेंट्स एंड दे हैव टू सपोर्ट देयर पेरेंट्स बिकॉज देयर पेरेंट्स आर नॉट एबल टू अर्न मनी. People who work are paid wages or a salary. With the money they earn, they can buy the things that they need. कि लोगों को पैसे की ज़रूरत होती है तो जो वो काम करते हैं तो जो उन्हें तनख्वाह मिलती है उससे वो क्या करते हैं, वो मुख्तलिफ़ किस्म की चीज़ें ख़रीद लेते हैं, वो अपनी ज़रूरत की मुख्तलिफ़ चीज़ें ख़रीदते हैं. So there are some people who are paid for their money, but there are also some people who are not paid for their work. Some people don't get paid for the work they do. For example, many other work very hard. They cook, do the shopping, look after the children, take care of their home and money, and do many tasks for the family. They are homemakers. Dear students, mothers are not paid for their work. They do different tasks. They work very hard at their home. They cook, they do shopping, they look after their children, and they take care of the home, and they also take care of the family members. But they are homemakers and they are not paid for their works because they are household ladies. So, today many women also have jobs outside the home and get paid for the work they do. कि आज के ज़माने में आजकल भी औरतें जो हैं वो मुख्तलिफ़ काम कर रही हैं. वो जैसे मर्द जो है वो डिफरेंट प्रोफेशंस में काम कर रहे हैं, इसी तरह जो औरतें हैं वो भी डॉक्टर, लॉयर, एज ए टीचर, एज ए लॉयर, एज ए डॉक्टर वो भी काम कर रही हैं. पीपल हैव टू स्टडी हार्ड फॉर many years to become doctors, scientists, profession and engineers. Jobs like these are called professions. People who study for a long time and in not only in school, college and at university level, and at the end of their study they adopt some profession like they become a doctor, lawyer, engineer and professions and other professions, and they are called professions because they are skilled in their profession. That's why at the end of their study they can adopt some profession. People who work in factories and offices have to be trained. When they are trained, we say that they are skilled For example, computer operator, crane operator, technicians, and mechanics. So people who are trained after getting their study, they get training in different kinds of offices. So after getting training, they are skilled. उन्हें अपने काम में महारत हासिल हो जाती है, तो वो उसके बाद कोई ना कोई प्रोफेशन अडॉप्ट कर लेते हैं. आफ्टर गेटिंग प्रॉपर एजुकेशन एंड प्रॉपर training, they are called skilled workers. Like you can see computer operator at your school, and on the road you can see crane operator and technicians and mechanics. They are skilled workers. After that, manual workers. Manual workers are those workers who work with their hands, यानी वो अपने हाथों से काम करते हैं. दो दे डू हार्ड वर्क, दे आर हार्ड वर्कर्स, बट दे आर नॉट स्किल्ड, दे आर अनस्किल्ड और सेमी स्किल्ड बिकॉज दे डू वर्क with their hands. So manual workers are those who work with their hands doing hard work like digging or working as a loader or a gardener. They are usually strong but unskilled or semi skilled. जो लोग हाथ से काम करते हैं, आपने जो है अपने इर्द गिर्द देखा होगा, मुख्तलिफ़ लोग जो है वो ज़मीन खोद रहे होते हैं, या वो कुछ ना कुछ जो है वो गाड़ियों पर सामान लाद कर इधर से उधर लेकर जा रहे होते हैं, या वो बाग में काम कर रहे होते हैं एज ए गार्डनर. तो वो या तो अनस्किल्ड होते हैं या सेमी स्किल्ड होते हैं. आफ्टर दैट, people who do social services and work to help others are generally not paid, they are volunteers. We offer to work free of charge. Dear students, before this I told you that mothers are not paid for their works because they do household works, so they are not paid. As well as volunteers are also not paid because they generally help others, and they do social services and they do different tasks free of cost. प्यारे बच्चों, जो मदर्स होती हैं उनको एक तो उनके काम के बदले में पे नहीं मिलती, और दूसरा वो लोग जो अल्लाह की राह में या फ़ी सबिलिल्लाह काम करते हैं, तो वो किसी भी किस्म के पैसे किसी से नहीं लेते, वो फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट दूसरों के लिए काम करते हैं. Dear students, after that we have different percentages of professions. There are three kind of percentages. First one is in agriculture, and second one is about industry, and third one is about industries. So first one is people who work in agriculture. Agriculture is the term of all kind of work to do with farming, such as growing crops or caring of animals to provide food, wool and other products. प्यारे बच्चों, 42% ऑफ पीपल जो हैं, जो 42% लोग हैं, वो एग्रीकल्चर में काम करते हैं. यानी कि सबसे ज़्यादा जो परसेंटेज है वो हमारी एग्रीकल्चर में काम करने वालों की है. यानी किसान जो हैं, जो पाकिस्तान में खेती बाड़ी से मुतल्लिक काम करते हैं, वो मुख्तलिफ़ किस्म की फसलें उगाते हैं. दे ग्रो क्रॉप्स एंड टेक केयर ऑफ़ एनिमल्स. वो मुख्तलिफ़ जानवरों की जो है वो देखभाल करते हैं, और वो जानवरों से मुख्तलिफ़ किस्म की चीज़ें क्योंकि हम हासिल करते हैं, जिसमें खाना शामिल है, वूल शामिल है और दूसरी चीज़ें शामिल हैं. आफ्टर दैट देयर इज़ another category, that is industry. So 24% people work in industries. So industry is the term of work in making things or working with raw materials, such as manufacturing cloths from cotton. Well, there are in industries some skilled or semi-skilled workers work in these factories, and they do different jobs like making materials, packing materials, and this kind of work they do and they make different products from cotton and other things. And third category is services. 34% people work in services. So, services is the term of all kinds of work involving repairs and maintenance of machines, buildings, and other things. It also describes work in public transport and the supply of gas, water, and electricity. So, in services, mostly people are skilled or they are professionals and they work in buildings, maintenance of machines. As skilled workers can maintain the machine, and in building constructors can build buildings and other things. And in services, people also work in transport and supply of gas, water, and electricity. In all kinds of services, skilled and semi-skilled or professionals can work in these kind of industries. Okay, dear students, after that, when you begin to work, you should choose a job which matches your interest and enables you to serve your country. So there are many jobs to choose from. Here are some jobs like carpenters, engineer, farmer, accountant, architect, potter, teacher, artist, dentist, designer, chef, lawyer, pilot, sailor, scientist, shopkeeper, soldier, editor, politician, journalist. So these kind of different professions which you can adopt after getting a proper education. So after that we have questions in exercise questions, and question number 1 is what do you think is the paid the most, a professional, a skilled, or an unskilled workers? So skilled workers paid the most. And question number 2 is what kind of workers do work in a factory? So skilled people work in a factory. Third one is name 2 kind of people who are not paid for the work they do. So household ladies and volunteers are not paid for their work they do. And why do people have to do work? People have to work to earn money. So these are the answers of these questions. I hope that you understand all the chapter. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.